Hello friends, today we will talk about trigeminal neuralgia. So this is a type of facial pain which occurs due to affection of the trigeminal nerve. So this is a nerve which supplies various areas of the face. So it supplies the forehead and the region above the eye, which is called as V1. It will supply the mid area of the face, which is called as V2, and the lower part of the face or the jawline, which is called as V3. In trigeminal neuralgia, pain usually occurs as sudden shooting type of episodes, especially with some trigger, which could be either chewing, talking, brushing teeth, or even due to the fan, a small wave of air coming on the face can also trigger these attacks. Pain is extremely severe and lasts only from a few seconds to a few minutes, and it is accompanied by pain free intervals in between. So, how do we diagnose trigeminal neuralgia? The diagnosis is mainly clinical based on all this history that I just mentioned. MRI is done just to see whether there is some sort of compression over the trigeminal nerve in the brain or near the brainstem. What are the treatment options? So, treatment can be divided into three parts. First part is medication. Certain types of medication, not painkillers, but medicines which act on the nerves, which belong to anticonvulsant or antidepressant category medicines, these are given. Secondly, surgery. Surgery is indicated in those cases in which there is some sort of compression over the trigeminal nerve due to either a tumor or due to a blood vessel. The third and most important, percutaneous treatment or treatment through injection is what we do. In that, through one needle, we enter into the area where the trigeminal nerve exits the skull, and over there an injection is given. The injection is done through radiofrequency ablation, which is a technique by which we increase the temperature of this nerve to about 60 degrees, and the conduction of the nerve is stopped, and that's how the pain sensations that the nerve carries are stopped. This provides excellent pain relief, and it helps the patient be off painkillers or medication which cause pain. Other treatment options for trigeminal neuralgia is under ultrasound guidance. We visualize the peripheral nerves that come through the trigeminal nerve, and we block them with either local anesthetic or through radiofrequency ablation. Thirdly, Botox treatment of areas of the face which are in pain, that will relax the muscles around these nerves and relieve the pain. So various treatment options are available. Please message us to know more. Thank you.